Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Wi-Fi connection not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. If you are getting difficulties to use your internet connection from your Wi-Fi, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on the start menu and type here device manager. Click on the device manager. In this you need to go to the network adapter. You can see here, just double click on that and expand it. Here you need to select your network drivers. You can see here Dell wireless. Just right click on that and click on update driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers and close this window. After doing this, try the second method. Just click on the search box and type services.msc. and click on services. In this you need to find WLAN. You can see here WLAN auto config. Just right click on that, click on properties. You can see a startup type. If it is selected as disable or manual, you need to just select as automatic and click on apply. If you are seeing your start button, just click on the start button and click on OK. After that, you can see here Windows update. You need to do it same for Windows update. Just right click on that, click on properties. If it is selected as disable or manual, you need to select as automatic. Just click on apply and click on start and click OK. After doing this, just close this window and try the third method. Just click on start menu and type here CMD. Right click on CMD, click on run as administrator, click on yes. Here you need to type couple of commands what I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy paste from there. netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter and type the second command netsh space int space ip space reset space reset log.txt and hit enter and close this window. After doing all these settings, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Wi-Fi connection not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.